A clone tool is useful when we need to remove something that we do not want in our image and to say to the program. First, we need to give the program a reason that we want to use in top of the object that we want to remove. First, we will use right mouse button to set a reason that we want to copy over or object that we want to remove, and after that we'll use our left mouse button and click and drag, and that part will be covered by the region that we selected first by right mouse button. As you need to repeat this process again and again, set different source point as multiple time to uh, to remove the object completely. Yes, it will take a time, but it will worth it. There are many blending modes inside Lazpaint. Blending simply means that we'll use two images to create an interesting look. One simple example of blending is that we create a new layer, give it a color, and simply decrease the opacity, the transparent value, and the combined look will give a beautiful effect. Yes, like in this case, it is like uh, night time. Yes, there are some blending modes which are useful, but we should not know everyone. Okay, there is no need to know every blending mode, but let's understand some important ones. Now we'll create a fog effect. In new layer, we'll first use Portland noise as a filter, which is a cloud filter. Now we'll go to blending options, and under blending options, we'll choose a screen blending mode. A screen blending mode does what? A screen blending mode as keeps the white part and makes the black part transparent. Yes. Now we can decrease the opacity and we'll have a fog effect. A multiply blending mode will do opposite. It will keep black parts. Now we'll make a fire using overlay blending mode. First we need to make a gradient, as we need to set starting gradient color to the color of fire, and we'll make ending gradient color black. Now we'll use gradient tool to make a gradient like this. Now we'll create a new layer. Now we will go to filter and choose foreign noise to make clouds. Now we'll go to blending options and choose overlay blending mode. Overlay blending mode uses first layer to brighten and darken a second layer. It will make more sense with another example. Now we create a new layer and fill it with clouds from filter. This white part of cloud will brighten our background image, and the black parts of that clouds will darken our background image. So overlay blending mode brightens and darkens a second layer using the topmost layer. It gave nice shadow effect. Now we'll use glow blending mode. First we'll duplicate it and hide it. We'll use it later. Now we'll use the original cherry and set it to glow blending mode. On the rightmost part, we'll drag down and we'll search glow blending mode. Now we'll go to filter and we'll use fast blur and blur it with some value. Now we'll unhide the top layer and we'll decrease opacity for having details, for bringing back edges and details. Now we'll have this glow effect. Now we'll use linear negation blending mode for having thunder lightning effect. First we'll create clouds and again second time in a new layer we'll create it again. Then we'll go to blending options and from there we'll scroll down on the rightmost part and choose linear negation. It gives this type of effect, lightning effect. Blending modes are also helpful for adding light in our image. Now we'll make our image less brighter by using curves. We'll go to lightness and decrease the light to make it little bit darker. Now we'll create a new layer. We'll use fill tool to give it a black color. After that, we'll use blending options and from there we will choose color dodge blending mode. Now we'll use brush, paintbrush to add light. We can use any color as to draw light. Keep the opacity low, it will give good effect. Let's try with different colors. Now we'll add lights to this ball. We can also dodge and burn an image using blending mode by using soft light blending mode. Dodge and burn means brightening and darkening part of an image. So let's do it. First we'll cover the transparent part with any color. Now we'll create a new layer. Now we'll make it gray. We need to make it gray. For making it work with soft light blending mode. Now we'll choose soft light blending mode. Now with paintbrush tool, make first color white and second color black. Decrease the opacity of both white and black. Now we can use left mouse button to brighten the area, and we can use right mouse button to darken the area. The white color that we set as it will brighten will help for brightening, and the black color that we set helps us to darken the area that we want. Yes. Now we will create a brush effect. First we will import an image as a layer. Then we will hide our background for some time. Now we'll create a new layer and fill it. Now we'll use our brush tool and with white color we'll paint it in a like a brush. Now we'll use fill tool to fill rest with black. Now we will go to blending options and scroll down, and at last we'll find mask blending mode. Now it will affect other layers only to show up in the white part.